We need your help. If you go to the beach early in the morning, we're hoping you can take a look at underneath dune crossovers because we're having a lot of sea turtles getting stuck. That's a dugout hole from a green sea turtle. And just last Sunday, we had another one. She unfortunately they crawl up here to lay eggs, obviously, and the dune crossovers have been noticed to be a problem lately. They somehow wedge themselves under there, and sea turtles cannot go in reverse. They can only go forward, they can turn, but go right and left, but they can't go in reverse. So we had a mama sea turtle stuck under this crossover for 4 or 5 hours until we were able to get her out of here and transport her to the Brevard Zoo. She was so overheated. You know how hot it is here with the sun baking down on you, and these turtles are not meant to be in the sun very long. The sun also heats the sand up, and she got overheated and she unfortunately passed away. So we are working on a fix for this. But in the meantime, if we could get all the public, anybody that uses the beaches, to please pay attention, just take a look, and if you happen to see a sea turtle stuck under one of these, please call the Sea Turtle Preservation Society. Our phone number is 321-206-0646. That's 321-206-0646. This is for sea turtle emergencies or injuries, or any sea turtle that seems to have a need for help. Now, if it's just a sea turtle up on the beach nesting, that's normal, especially early in the morning. We may have green sea turtles finishing up. As long as they're on their own and they're moving around, able to crawl around and have no obstructions, there is no reason to call. However, if you get sea turtles stuck, absolutely please call so we can get to them quicker and hopefully have them survive. There is a whole lot of sea turtle nests all up and down our beaches. We are in prime sea turtle nesting season, July. We have a whole lot of green turtles coming up. We have the loggerheads are still coming up. Leatherbacks are probably close to done, but again, we have it's a rare thing. We've definitely had 3 this week in 7 days. And so that's why we're trying to get this message out there. So until they get fixed, there is going to be very likely a fix for this. But until that happens, please keep an eye out, and please call it in if you happen to see that. Thank you very much.